Hello everyone, let's dive into the Thermaltake Ceres 330TG ARGB, a mid-tower case designed for both aesthetics and performance. Right off the bat, the compatibility with hidden connector motherboards is a standout feature, offering a cleaner, more organized build. But it also supports standard motherboards, so you are not limited to only using hidden connector ones. The case comes pre-installed with two 140mm ARGB fans, which not only provide excellent cooling, but also add a vibrant touch to the system. The front panel is designed to maximize airflow, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. One of the most interesting aspects of the Ceres 330TG ARGB is its rotational PCIe slots. This allows for both horizontal and vertical GPU mounting, giving you the flexibility to showcase your graphics card or optimize airflow based on your setup. The included clear GPU holder is a nice touch, providing additional support and preventing sag. For those planning a liquid-cooled build, the case supports up to a 360mm radiator at the front, or up to three 120-140mm fans. This provides ample options for keeping even the most demanding CPUs cool. Thermaltake also offers an optional LCD panel kit for the Ceres 330TG ARGB, allowing you to display system information, custom images, or even animated GIFs on the front of the case. This adds a level of personalization that enthusiasts will appreciate. The case is spacious enough to accommodate EATX motherboards, providing plenty of room for expansion. Cable management is also well thought out, with routing channels and tie-down points to help you create a clean and organized build. The bottom-mounted power supply design further aids in cable management and airflow. Overall, the Thermaltake Ceres 330TG ARGB is a well-designed and feature-rich mid-tower case that offers a great balance of aesthetics, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a first-timer, this case is definitely worth considering for your next build. And with a 3-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.